SpaceX's Falcon 9, the booster that redefined space exploration. Welcome to the world of SpaceX, where innovation and persistence are propelling us towards a new era of space exploration. Meet Falcon 9, the booster rocket that's changing the game. With 19 successful missions under its belt, it's at the forefront of reusable technology. This isn't just a rocket, it's a testament to human ingenuity. Falcon 9 has revolutionized our approach to space travel, making the unthinkable possible. Each successful launch and landing adds another chapter to Falcon 9's story, making space more accessible than ever before. Through Falcon 9, SpaceX is proving that sustainability and space exploration can go hand in hand. It's a beacon of hope for a greener future. So, join us as we continue this journey, defying gravity, reaching for the stars, and breaking barriers with Falcon 9. SpaceX's Falcon 9, the booster that flew 19 times. Be part of this historic adventure as we redefine what's possible in space exploration.